Dare to scroll. Or else. This is CPU. This is GPU. What's the difference? CPU is the core brain of the computer that handles general system instructions, logic, and sequential task execution. GPU is a specialized processor designed to handle heavy parallel computing, complex geometry, and rendering graphics. This is RAM. This is storage. What's the difference? RAM is the fast, volatile, short-term memory that forgets everything the second your computer turns off. Storage is the non-volatile long-term memory that safely holds your files, games, and operating system even when powered down. This is air cooler. This is liquid cooler. What's the difference? Air cooler is a classic cooling setup utilizing metal heat sinks and fans to dissipate heat away from the processor. Liquid cooler pumps coolant through a block to absorb heat via a radiator. Like, comment, and share if you're a good boy.